How to book a cleaner easily with the Cleanster app. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to book a cleaner with Cleanster. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you get special discounts or special promos if you're going to use Cleanster. So without further ado, let us begin. So I'll just go to the Cleanster website over here, then I'll just book cleaning. Afterwards, you simply choose the cleaning service, whether it's short-term rentals, apartment or condo, or house or common area. So let's say I'll just select house. Afterwards, just simply enter your address over here. Once you're done, you simply select the address there, click on confirm, and then there you go. There are 5,000 cleaners near our location. So just select a date and time over there. So just select the date and time and when the cleaner will come. So let's say I'll just set it to November 26th, set the time as well, click on next, and afterwards just simply select on which cleaner you want for your house. So they have different kinds of cleaners over here, all of them have ratings, all of them have an amount of jobs, so just choose your cleaner over here, and then once you're done, just simply select the cleaner and then just proceed to the payment options, and then you're pretty much done. So all you have to do now is just wait until the cleaner shows up at your place, and then you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you get special discounts or special promos if you're going to book a cleaner with the Cleanster app. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.